Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a highly requested and intriguing topic, the art of making easy money. We'll be exploring ways that don't demand any upfront costs or specialized skills, making them perfect for young individuals looking to kickstart their money-making journey. Now, you might be wondering, why is this so crucial? Let's find out. Well, apart from the obvious appeal of having a bit more cash to spend, it's about fostering financial responsibility and independence. It's about understanding the value of money and the satisfaction of earning it yourself. Today, we're going to delve into 4 different categories that can help you make easy money. Each category is filled with opportunities that are practical, achievable, and tailored to suit a variety of interests and skills. From online opportunities and neighborhood odd jobs to creative and educational ventures, there's a little something for everyone, so stay tuned for these practical and achievable tips. First off, let's explore the vast world of online opportunities. The internet isn't just for watching funny cat videos or chatting with friends, it's also a goldmine for those looking to generate some extra pocket money. Imagine this, your room is filled with items you no longer need or use. Maybe it's a collection of books you've outgrown, clothes that no longer fit, or gadgets collecting dust. Why let them take up space when they could be filling up your wallet instead? Platforms like eBay, Depop, or Facebook Marketplace are perfect for this. They offer a simple and user-friendly way to sell your unused items. It's like hosting a virtual garage sale without the hassle of setting up tables in your driveway. But selling isn't the only way to earn. Ever thought about getting paid for your opinions? There are several reputable survey websites out there that pay you for simply taking surveys. Yes, you heard right. Companies value your thoughts and are willing to reward you for them. Websites like Swagbucks, Toluna, or MySurvey are just a few examples. All you need is some free time, a device with internet access, and voila, you're earning money from the comfort of your own home. Now remember, while these earnings may seem small, they do add up. Plus, it's not just about the money, it's also about learning the value of decluttering and turning unused items into cash. It's about understanding that your time and opinions have value. So with a bit of time and effort, you can turn your unused items and free time into cash. Remember, every little bit helps. And who knows, you might just find that you have a knack for online selling or that you enjoy taking surveys. Either way, you're not just making money, you're also gaining valuable skills and experiences. And that, my friends, is priceless. Moving on, your neighborhood might be a goldmine of opportunities. Ever thought about babysitting or pet sitting? These tasks can be a fun and easy way to earn money, plus they're often in high demand. To get started, you'll need to show that you're responsible and trustworthy. Start with people you know, like family, friends or neighbors, and always do your best. Word of mouth can be a powerful tool in building a reputation for future opportunities. Now let's talk about lawn care. Whether it's mowing lawns in the summer, raking leaves in the fall, or shoveling snow in the winter, these tasks are often in need of willing hands. Remember, negotiation is key. Don't undersell your hard work. Establish a fair price that both you and your neighbors can agree on. Remember, your community is a great place to start building your financial independence. Now let's delve into the world of creative ventures. This is where your unique talents and hobbies can truly shine and transform into a source of income. Have you ever thought about selling your DIY crafts and art? If you're handy with a paintbrush or a glue gun, platforms like Etsy could be your new best friend. It's a marketplace for handmade goods where your creativity can find a global audience. Whether it's custom-made jewelry, personalized stationery, or unique home decor, there's a place for it on Etsy. But let's not stop at physical crafts. The digital world is brimming with opportunities too. If you're savvy with social media and have a knack for creating engaging content, it's time to consider social media marketing. You could start a small business, maybe selling your crafts or offering a service, and use platforms like Instagram or TikTok to reach potential customers. By consistently posting creative content and interacting with your followers, you could build a strong online presence and, yes, monetize it. Brands are always looking for influential social media personalities to collaborate with. So who knows? You might start by boosting your pocket money and end up running your own successful online business. Remember, the key to success in creative ventures is authenticity. Let your passion show through your work, and people will be drawn to it. Your creativity could be your ticket to financial independence. Lastly, let's talk about turning your academic strengths into a source of income. If you're a whiz in a particular subject, why not consider offering tutoring services? It's a fantastic way to not only reinforce your own understanding, but also to help your peers improve theirs. And the satisfaction you get from helping others succeed, well, that's just the cherry on top. Now, if tutoring sounds a bit too formal for your taste, how about just helping classmates with their homework for a modest fee? It's a less structured, more casual way of sharing your knowledge while still earning some extra cash. But remember, balance is key. Juggling schoolwork with side gigs requires good time management. It's important to prioritize your own studies while offering these services, but with a bit of planning and organization, you can definitely make it work. Your academic prowess can be a lucrative asset. That's a wrap on our guide to boosting your pocket money. We've covered online opportunities, neighborhood odd jobs, creative ventures, and educational pursuits. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. It's about exploring different options, recognizing your skills, and aligning them with your interests. The world is your oyster, so crack it open and find your pearl. Remember, financial responsibility and planning are essential for long-term success. Feel free to leave comments and questions for future video topics. Thank you for watching.
If you enjoy this type of content, do acknowledge it with a thumbs up. Subscribe and stay connected with our community for more content. Until next time, take care.